Hi Leos, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So we are picking few cards for your general energies, career situation and relationship. So Leos, sorry guys, we are picking cards for your present situation, your past, your future and what will be the outcome. So I request you to watch this reading till the end, Leos. That way you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today in your situation. So these are the cards here. So let's start with this card for your circumstances today. Bouquet. It's a very positive card and it's a very positive sign, Leos. Things are falling into place and things are going in a very good way, in a very positive way. And circumstances are good. Maybe you are having a good time with your friends, family, maybe with this person you love. So you are truly happy, you have that contentment, joy, happiness, and you have a great affection. And today you are going to get clarity, Leos. So we have dog. So this person is truly loyal. Maybe if you are having some doubts on this person, whether you can trust them or not, you can trust them. They are very much loyal to you, reliable. And more cards for your situation. So we have stock and mice. So there are people whom you cannot trust, Leos. It may be someone from your work. So this person may have some intentions. They are here to use you. And you cannot trust this person. Maybe the way they are with you or whatever they are telling you, it gives you, it makes you think that you cannot trust them, Leos. It may be your person or it may be someone from your family, a common friend. But this card here, it's a very positive card. So a good news or something good is waiting to unfold in your life. And there is someone coming with a very good news. It may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. This person is coming to you, definitely, Leos. So we will see more cards. It's fish and anchor. So in your situation, you are going to see a happy change, just like I said. Some small success or some new beginning. Glimpses of something big coming right now in your life. You are happy for this new beginning, Leos. Because this is not what you expected today, but it has come. All your hard work and patience, your efforts are paying off. And it just means that you are fulfilling your destiny or your life's purpose. You are working towards that. And you are moving towards some kind of a commitment. Maybe marriage or engagement with this person. Moving to the next step of this responsibility. And you feel secure, you have that sense of belonging in this relationship. And you are someone who is committed to your goals. So you are trying hard, Leos, doing your best. You have that perseverance and a strong determination. And that determination is going to take you towards success in your career and happiness in this relationship. So things are going in a very beautiful way. Circumstances are good. So this person is coming to give you a happy news or a happy shock today. They are going to surprise you. With proposal or with flowers and proposing to you. So something good is waiting to unfold in your life today, Leos. So we will see what are these cards. We have clover and a ring. Just like I said, this person is coming with a ring to propose to you or commitment. So they are thinking of marriage or engagement, and you are going to be very lucky, Leos. This is a very lucky card here and a very auspicious sign that things are going to go in a beautiful way in your relationship, Leos. So this is going to be a rare opportunity, this person coming and proposing to you. This may be totally unexpected, but it is coming for you. And things are going to fall into place, and it's going to take a very positive turn. Maybe you never thought this person will propose to you or this person will think of marriage just like you. So things are taking a very positive turn in this relationship, Leos. So we will see more cards here. It's man and mountain. So you are a very determined person. That is what we were speaking about. So your dedication and devotion is going to help you. So whatever your circumstances are, you may see some difficulties. Certain things may not work for you, but you need to understand that your determination and focus will take you through. And if you have positive intentions towards your circumstances, come what may, you will be able to handle it with ease and you will be able to overcome any difficulties, Leos. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Leos.